Have you ever wondered why some women over 60 live with vitality and comfort, while others struggle with endless discomfort? The truth is, the body undergoes profound transformations at this stage of life, and one of the most impactful but rarely discussed changes is in intimate health. What many don't realize is that ignoring these signs can lead to serious consequences, such as infections, dryness, and even urinary incontinence. The scary part? By the time symptoms become noticeable, the problem may already be advanced. But here's the good news. You don't have to live with this. There are simple, natural, and effective solutions that can completely transform your quality of life. In this video, we will reveal powerful strategies to restore balance to your intimate health, from nutrition to specific exercises that strengthen the pelvic region. Because here's the truth. When intimate health is neglected, the entire body suffers. If you've ever experienced dryness, irritation, or that feeling that something just isn't the same anymore, you need to pay attention. Stay with me until the end, because these tips will make a huge difference in your well-being. And at the end of the video, you'll discover a powerful secret that few women know about, but that can change everything. So, let's get started. It all starts with hormones. After the age of 60, a woman's body goes through a significant transformation, menopause. With it, estrogen levels, the hormone that once maintained elasticity and lubrication in the intimate area, plummet. And that's when problems begin. The vaginal walls become thinner, lubrication decreases, and elasticity gradually disappears. For many women, this isn't just a temporary inconvenience. It's a change that directly affects their quality of life and self-esteem. Dryness can cause constant irritation, and the lack of elasticity makes even simple activities like walking or sitting uncomfortable. And the worst part, many believe this is just part of aging and don't seek help. But here's what no one tells you. You don't have to accept this as inevitable. Science has already discovered natural ways to reverse these effects without invasive procedures or expensive treatments. It all starts with understanding that the body can still recover as long as it gets the right care. And there's more. Ignoring these changes can lead to even bigger problems. When natural lubrication decreases, the vagina becomes more susceptible to infections. The good bacteria that once protected the area weaken, and the vaginal pH, which was once acidic and balanced, becomes unstable. This opens the door to unwanted microorganisms that can cause irritation and frequent infections. But don't worry, because the solution is closer than you think. Now we're going to reveal the first secret, the use of herbs and medicinal plants, and how this secret can be a powerful ally in restoring balance to your intimate health. First secret, phytotherapy, the power of herbs for intimate health. For centuries, women have used herbs and plants to care for their intimate health, and today, science confirms that these ancient practices are extremely effective. Maca root, for example, is known for its ability to naturally balance hormones, helping restore lubrication and elasticity to the vaginal area. Another great ally is chamomile, which soothes irritation and provides almost immediate comfort when used in sitz baths. Ginger also makes the list as a powerful ally. It improves blood circulation, which is essential for keeping the intimate area healthy and nourished. Meanwhile, calendula, with its anti-inflammatory properties, is perfect for calming the skin and reducing discomfort caused by dryness. When used correctly, these herbs can make a huge difference in your well-being. But that's not all. Phytotherapy also includes the use of essential oils like coconut oil and rosehip oil. These oils act as deep moisturizers, restoring elasticity and comfort to vaginal skin. They are easy to apply and can be incorporated into your daily self-care routine, delivering visible results within weeks. The best part is that these solutions are natural, affordable, and don't come with the side effects of many conventional treatments. You can start using them today without needing a prescription or complicated interventions. And the best of all, they truly work, as proven by thousands of women worldwide. But this is just the beginning. Now let's talk about a secret that few women know about: Kegel exercises. And trust me, once you learn how they can strengthen the pelvic region and eliminate urinary incontinence, you'll want to start immediately. Second secret: Kegel exercises, strengthening the pelvic region. If there's one practice every woman over 60 should know about, it's Kegel exercises. These simple exercises strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, helping to prevent urinary incontinence and improve the elasticity of the intimate area. The best part, they can be done anywhere, without anyone noticing. The technique is easy. Contract the pelvic muscles as if you were holding in urine. Hold for a few seconds, and then relax. Repeat this for a few minutes every day, and you'll start noticing a significant improvement in strength and muscle control. Women who practice Kegels regularly report not only an end to incontinence, but also improved lubrication and enhanced intimate pleasure. Additionally, Kegel exercises increase blood circulation in the area, which is essential for keeping tissues healthy and nourished. This helps combat dryness and irritation, restoring the comfort many women thought they had lost forever. And the best part, it costs nothing and has no contraindications. But the benefits don't stop there. Strengthening the pelvic region also helps prevent issues like vaginal prolapse, a condition where pelvic organs descend due to muscle weakness. With Kegel exercises, you're not only improving your intimate health, but also protecting your body from future complications. And here's what you need to know. Kegel exercises are just one part of the solution. In the next secret, we'll reveal how nutrition can be a powerful ally in restoring natural lubrication and hormonal balance. Get ready, because this information will completely change the way you care for your body. Stay tuned. Third secret: nutrition, the role of phytoestrogens in intimate health. Did you know that what you eat can directly influence the health of your intimate area? After 60, nutrition becomes even more crucial, especially when it comes to phytoestrogens, natural compounds that help balance hormones. Black seeds, for example, are one of the best sources of phytoestrogens and can be easily added to your daily diet. Another powerful food is fermented soy, which contains isoflavones capable of mimicking estrogen's action in the body. This helps restore natural lubrication and skin elasticity. And it doesn't stop there. Chickpeas, lentils, and even certain fruits like apples and pomegranates are also rich in these beneficial compounds. But be careful. While some foods help, others can make things worse. Refined sugar, for example, is highly inflammatory and can worsen menopause symptoms like dryness and irritation. Cutting back on processed foods and increasing fresh vegetable intake is essential for maintaining body balance. And there's more. Hydration also plays a crucial role. Drinking water is important, but after 60, the body becomes less efficient at retaining fluids. A simple tip is to add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt and a bit of lemon to your water. This helps improve fluid absorption at the cellular level, keeping hydration at optimal levels. Now imagine combining a diet rich in phytoestrogens with Kegel exercises and the use of natural oils. The result is a complete transformation in your intimate health. And now we're going to reveal the final secret of this journey: intimate massage with specific oils. Get ready, because this technique will surprise you. Fourth secret: intimate massage with oils. Hydration and regeneration. The skin in the intimate area, just like the skin on your face or hands, needs deep hydration and nourishment. One of the best ways to achieve this is through intimate massage with specific oils. Rosehip oil, for example, is well known for its regenerative and restorative properties, helping to restore elasticity and comfort to vaginal skin. Another powerful oil is sesame oil, which has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to improve circulation and the health of intimate tissues. These oils not only hydrate, but also strengthen the skin, preventing irritation and dryness. The application is simple. Just gently massage the external area with a few drops of oil, preferably after a shower when the skin is more receptive. Intimate massage also has an additional benefit. It stimulates blood circulation in the area, which is essential for keeping tissues healthy and nourished. This helps combat dryness and irritation, restoring the comfort that many women thought they had lost forever. And the best part, it's a practice that can be done at home, without high costs or complications. Additionally, massaging with natural oils can be combined with other practices, such as Kegel exercises and a diet rich in phytoestrogens. Together, these strategies create a powerful self-care routine that can completely transform your intimate health. Most importantly, everything is natural, accessible, and easy to incorporate into your daily life. Now that you know all these strategies, it's time to put them into practice. Imagine living without discomfort, feeling that your body is strong, healthy, and balanced. This transformation is possible, and it starts with small changes you can make today. So did you enjoy learning how small changes can make a huge difference in your intimate health after 60? Now it's your turn to take action. Start incorporating these tips into your routine today. Try Kegel exercises, add phytoestrogen-rich foods to your diet, hydrate properly, and don't forget intimate massage with natural oils. Remember, aging with health and comfort is not a matter of luck, but of choice, and you can choose to experience this stage of life with fulfillment and well-being. Share this video with a friend who also needs to know this information, because every woman deserves to live with quality of life. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content that can transform your health and your life. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from and which tip you liked the most. Your participation is essential to strengthen our community and spread knowledge that truly makes a difference. And here's a challenge for you. Choose one of the tips from this video and start applying it today. Then come back here and tell me about your experience. I'd love to hear how these strategies are impacting your life. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. We're here to support you every step of the way. See you in the next video.